Why connect Google Sheets and Slack?
1. Connecting Google Sheets to Slack streamlines your workflow by bringing spreadsheet updates directly into your communication channels. This means every important change, like edits or new entries, shows up as instant alerts in Slack, keeping your team in sync without checking spreadsheets constantly.
No-code tools that make it easy.
No-code automation tools like Zapier and Make let you connect Google Sheets and Slack without any programming. These platforms provide simple, step-by-step interfaces to link apps, saving time and reducing complexity for non-technical users.
Setting up your automation.
First, create free accounts on Zapier, Make, or your chosen no-code service. Select Google Sheets and Slack as your apps. Choose a trigger, such as a new row in Google Sheets, and set up an action, like sending a message to a Slack channel. Follow the prompts to authenticate and connect your accounts.
Customizing your notifications.
Decide which updates matter most. You can configure notifications for changes in specific columns, new data entries, or even when a cell meets certain conditions. Personalize the Slack message to include key details from the spreadsheet, ensuring your team receives clear, actionable alerts tailored to your workflow.
Staying organized and efficient.
Automated updates reduce manual monitoring and help prevent missed information. Regular notifications from Google Sheets in Slack keep everyone aligned, save time, and allow your team to focus on what matters most. With no-code tools, anyone can set up these connections, no technical expertise required.